I'm going to get this one, the soap dish and everything matched up. This is from the 1940s. It's just absolutely gorgeous tub. They had put, or somebody had put boat epoxy on it years and years ago. And it finally just gave way. But I'm gonna get all this cleaned up for them. And this was how we used to do the apartment tubs back in the day, which was just boat epoxy. And you can see there's a yellow resin that's underneath it. And I don't know if it'll pick up on the, let's see. See these scratches, they're in a W pattern. Instead of etching, they just run these scratches in there all over the tub and then kind of bond it. But anyway, it's going to be done totally different. This will last her a long time, but it was kind of neat seeing this old stuff. And when just from the little bit of sanding that I did, man, it starts, you got that smell. I've got my respirator I'm gonna slap on. I just wanted to get this filmed real quick. Got the soap dish refinished like I said I would, and went over the entire tub, bonded a porcelain glaze surface, and then the overflow, I've got that with an adhesion from the inside. If you want to replace it, just let me know, but I know you said you just wanted it up there. That tape can come off anytime after 5 p.m. tomorrow. And then of course all the way down to the wall on the outside of the tub.